Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just under 29,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, cooker and fridge just below. Next up, we have our first of 2 double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 3 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist. And on the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, media and menu. And on the right, we have a smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our AC with heated seats on either side. And if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.